Welcome to a world where industrial scale meets absolute precision, as we witness the monumental arrival of 45 tons of fresh green cabbage at the factory. 45 tons of raw nature are about to be transformed through a mesmerizing mechanical dance that operates with the surgical accuracy of a high-tech watch. Look at the sheer magnitude of 100,000 pounds of produce, a vast emerald sea waiting to enter the gateway of modern industrial food processing. In this mega factory, every single head of cabbage represents a commitment to quality and a testament to the incredible power of high-volume automated production lines. The journey begins as the first fruits of the harvest touch the conveyor, vibrating in harmony with the awakening heartbeat of the massive factory floor. A steady stream of green moves forward with unstoppable momentum, marking the start of a transformation process that combines raw power with delicate technical finesse. Steel gears mesh and chains tighten as the mechanical nervous system of the plant coordinates the movement of thousands of tons with perfect synchronized timing. Efficiency is the soul of this operation, where every rotation and every movement is calculated to ensure the highest output without ever compromising the product. Watch as the mechanical hands of the factory organize the chaos, preparing the massive harvest for the rigorous cleaning and sorting stages that lie ahead. Data flows as fast as the produce, with every pound tracked and monitored to maintain the perfect balance of this massive industrial symphony of food. This is the power of automation at scale, a breathtaking display of engineering that turns 45 tons of nature into a masterpiece of industrial efficiency. Now we enter the purification zone, where high-pressure water curtains strip away the earth and outer layers, revealing the pristine beauty hidden within each cabbage. The intensity of the spray is a dance of physics, using pure force to achieve a level of cleanliness that manual labor could never hope to match. Every surface is scrubbed by the water's edge, ensuring that only the freshest and cleanest ingredients proceed further into the heart of the megafactory. Observe the delicate interplay of liquid and leaf, a moment of natural beauty caught in the middle of a high-speed industrial process of mass production. The cooling mist preserves the crispness, locking in the nutrients and the vibrant color that define the quality of this massive industrial cabbage harvest. Sustainability meets technology as the factory recycles its resources, creating a closed-loop system that is as environmentally conscious as it is incredibly productive. Invisible eyes of light now take over, with laser sensors scanning every millimeter to detect even the smallest imperfection in the passing green tide. Artificial intelligence processes thousands of images per second, making split-second decisions that ensure only the most perfect specimens continue their journey forward today. With lightning speed, the mechanical sorters reject anything less than perfect, maintaining a standard of excellence that is absolute and unwavering in its precision. The scale of the sorting floor is a testament to human ingenuity, where complex algorithms and heavy machinery work together in a flawless, high-speed partnership. Precision is maintained at every step, with robotic assistance ensuring that the flow remains perfect, and every cabbage is positioned for the next critical stage. Pure, clean, and perfectly sorted, the cabbages emerge from the wash, ready to face the blades, marking the end of the initial preparation phase. We move now into the core of the operation, where the artistic precision of mechanical engineering will take center stage in the transformation of the crop. Witness the hypnotic rhythm of the decoring unit, where pneumatic drills strike with perfect timing to remove the center with surgical and mechanical efficiency. In less than a second, the hard core is gone, extracted by a spinning steel vortex that leaves the tender leaves intact and ready for slicing. Nothing is wasted as the cores are whisked away, destined for secondary use, while the prime product moves deeper into the high-speed production line's heart. The machines handle the produce with a surprising gentleness, flipping and turning each head to prepare for the final removal of any remaining outer layers. A blast of pure air pressure acts as a frictionless peeler, stripping away the rough exterior to reveal the soft, white heart of the cabbage inside. The transformation is visual and dramatic, as the green exterior gives way to a pale, succulent interior, refined by the power of modern industrial technology. Stainless steel blades, sharpened to a microscopic edge, spin in a blur of motion, ready to execute the most precise cuts in the entire factory. The dance of light and steel creates a mesmerizing atmosphere, where the cold beauty of the machinery meets the organic texture of the fresh harvest. Thousands of heads per hour pass through this station, each one treated with the same millisecond precision that defines the peak of automated food engineering. Follow the journey of a single unit as it is refined and prepared, a process that once took minutes by hand, now completed in a heartbeat. Every parameter is controlled by sophisticated software, ensuring that the machines perform with the same intensity and accuracy from the first ton to the last. Perfectly prepped and gleaming under the lights, the cabbage pearls are now ready for the most spectacular stage of their journey, the great shredding. Suddenly, the solid becomes a liquid, as a waterfall of shredded cabbage erupts from the slicers, falling like a heavy green snow onto the belts. The scale of the slicing is breathtaking. as high-speed drums pulverize the silence into a rhythmic hum of productive energy and endless green textures. In slow motion, each shred is a work of art, a thin ribbon of nutrition captured in a moment of flight before joining the growing green river. The blades move faster than the eye can follow, creating a continuous stream of perfectly uniform shreds that are the hallmark of industrial quality control. Mounds of fresh, crisp cabbage pile up in seconds, creating a landscape of green that is constantly shifting and moving toward the packaging zone. The freshness is palpable, with every shred retaining its natural moisture and crunch, protected by the speed and temperature-controlled environment of the mega factory. Behind the scenes, a complex array of knives rotates on multiple axes, a triumph of mechanical design that ensures a consistent cut every single time. A 2-meter-wide river of green flows steadily, a mesmerizing sight of volume and consistency that stretches as far as the eye can see. Mechanical brushes smooth the surface, preparing the massive flow for the critical weighing stage, where precision becomes the primary focus of the operation. The contrast of colors is striking, emphasizing the hygiene and purity of the environment where these 45 tons of produce are being meticulously processed. Constant vibration ensures the shreds remain light and airy, preventing any clumping and ensuring that each bag will be filled with the perfect texture. The flow is eternal, a continuous loop of production that symbolizes the unstoppable nature of modern industrial food supply chains and automated engineering. Even the air is managed with precision, ensuring a sterile environment where the freshness of the cabbage is preserved from the first cut to the bag. The sheer scale of this haul is a monument to efficiency, where technology has mastered the art of processing massive volumes of fresh food instantly. Human oversight combines with machine precision, as experts monitor every aspect of the process to guarantee that the final product exceeds all expectations. Precision reaches its peak at the multi-head weigher, where 16 independent hoppers calculate the perfect combination for an exact 500-gram portion. Every milligram counts, as the system performs thousands of calculations per minute, ensuring that every bag is filled with absolute and unwavering accuracy. The perfectly measured portion falls with gravity's grace into the waiting film, the moment where raw produce finally becomes a consumer-ready product. Heat and pressure work in tandem to create a perfect seal, locking in the freshness and ensuring a long shelf life for the premium product. A quick burst of vacuum suction removes the air, creating a compact and protected environment that keeps the cabbage as fresh as the moment it was cut. The finished packages slide into view, a uniform army of green ready to be shipped out to kitchens and grocery stores across the entire country. Safety is paramount, with every single bag scanned by X-rays and metal detectors to ensure that nothing but pure, clean cabbage reaches the consumer. Watch the lightning-fast Delta robots as they dance over the line, their carbon fiber arms moving with a speed that defies the human eye's ability to track. The precision of the robotic grip is absolute, placing each bag with millimetric accuracy to maximize space and ensure the safety of the contents during transit. The packaging hall is a masterpiece of modern logistics, where robots and conveyors work together in a tireless, high-speed celebration of industrial productivity. Boxes are sealed and labeled in a fraction of a second, as the final stage of the factory's automated internal process comes to a perfect conclusion. Every box is marked with its unique digital signature, providing full traceability from the farm to the table for every ounce of the 45-ton harvest. The journey through the factory is almost complete, as the fresh produce, now transformed, moves toward the final stage of its industrial adventure today. Huge robotic arms now take over the heavy lifting, stacking boxes with the grace of a giant to create perfect walls of finished food products. The pallet is secured in a cocoon of plastic, locked together to withstand the rigors of global shipping while maintaining the integrity of the stack. Inside the frozen cathedral of the warehouse, thousands of tons of cabbage wait in perfect temperature-controlled conditions for their final departure to the market. Autonomous vehicles navigate the aisles with silent efficiency, a final display of the cutting-edge technology that drives every second of this mega factory's operation. Let's look back at the incredible journey we've witnessed, where 45 tons of raw nature were sculpted by the hands of advanced mechanical engineering. From the massive piles at the intake to the microscopic precision of the blades, every millisecond was a step toward a perfect and nutritious final product. This is the miracle of modern food production, where scale and speed meet quality and safety.